MeghalayaPost.news.
Kajingyalang halorka customization, enhancement, but deployment jongka digital solution. Nagbanta Pynkup Bor Iaki Iaki Jylla Shatei Lam Mihngi ka India. Lapelong menta kasengi ha College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science CAU Omyam. Kanika program kadeka project jongka Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology Meity jongka Sarkar India. Kilaitili kitanat ki bayat lang ban pentrikam ya kanika project ki kentop ya ka Digital India Cooperation DIC New Delhi North Eastern Space Application Center Nesak Barapani Bat CPG SAS CAU Imphal Umyam. Hakani Jingalang Kilai Shimanta Degree Shampang Giba Phaikhmat Bakuntop yo Professor Gautam Barua, former Director Janka IIT Guwahati, Mr. Manoj Kumar Jain, Senior Director Meity, Dr. KK Sharma, In Charge Director Nesak, Dr. Mukul Sinha, Director Export Software, Rahul Kumar Naiwal, Scientist D Meity, Vinay Bhatia, former Senior Director Meity, Batka Dr. Hemlata, Director Janka IGNU. Kijinyatai hakani kijingalang kipalai ekran sanibha halor ke jingmentoi ke digital technologies ban Pynkup Bor Iaki Iaki Jylla Shatei Lam Mihngi kani kalongru kum kawai ke buit rekam batmai ban penklain ke jingma jepakhat halor ke jingtrekam batmai ban kentiu ya karep karyang bat kiwi ke jingmentoi lingba ke jingpenan kam kat kum kejuk start bamanta lingba ki kor ki bor.
But then, the work should not end, and maybe there will be another phase in some other form where funding may come. But even if it does not, I think that all the participants should take this, whatever has been done and whatever has been learned forward through possibly other sources of funding, through possibly other projects also. So let us not stop the work here. Let us see that we can carry it forward, because as has already been mentioned, to really benefit the farmers and other actual users, it's a big thing. It will take a lot of time. It will take input from a lot of other stakeholders too. Anyway, we understand that, but I hope that all of you will carry the work forward.
What I have to know, what it is here is that, like, one is that integration and applications of unmanned aerial vehicles for crop health assessment and monitoring, DG Bunai and DG Kharai, CAT tools for weaving, and Punarjani, a web-based tool to assist special teachers in assessment of children. These all are very important, and they are the most requirement for the society, other peoples. As this the centers, space application centers, it has a limited expertise in the other areas, so I will highlight few of the points related to that first component of this integration and application of unmanned aerial vehicles for crop health assessment and monitoring. This, as I understand, this work is about to be completed, and I think in the March 2025, means within next 3 months, this work exercise will be completed. If we see the components of this project, this integration and applications of UAV in crop health assessment, if we see a research as a part of research component, it is nothing new, because crop health assessment using UAV or satellite data or satellite-based data has already been being done many places. Many students have been done PhD. But important of this exercise here is that how this research is directly related with the grassroots people, that's the farmers. Whether farmers will be benefited. So if this methodology, the technology, what you have has been developed under this, whether it will be directly has impact on the people. Yes, it is supposed to be theoretically, because this exercise has been done on sample basis, only from some selected sites. That means for the selected sites it is done, but selected sites is experimental. So how this exercise can be translated or expanded as an operational way to the entire region, because all of you know UAV is a man-made, man-operational. It is only a need-based. You cannot run UAV for daily basis in a large areas. It is not possible. Technically, as of now, not possible from one side, from one organization.
MeghalayaPost.news.